Followed by Royal Hades, Color My Word, Golden Quartz, while Extreme Heat is the early player. And going along for the first turn, we have Magic T, Kefresca in second, 3 lines further back in third comes Pound for Pound, Time is Money, Golden Quartz comes next, Royal Hades, then followed by 5A, and this one is Color My Word, while Extreme Heat is in behind them, half mile distance, they travel, we have Magic on its favorite position as the pilot, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. And in second, Kefresca closing the win to this Pound for Pound. Then followed over by entry number 2. Then this one is Golden Quartz. And on the far turn, we have Magic Key by a length. Moving up now in second is Kefresca, Pound for Pound, now closing in third. We have Magic King, Kefresca, moving up now on the outside. Pound for Pound, likewise now joining in. And they are now entering the home stretch. Magic King is on the inside. Kefresca at the center. Pound for Pound is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. The lead now belongs to Pound for Pound. By a lane, Kenny have Kefresca in second with about 25 meters. It's all entry number 5, Pound for Pound.